woodpecker. Hold on. Right there. No, wait, hold on. Giant. It might look small on camera, but in person right now it looks humongous. It's pecking at the log. I don't know. It's kind of funny though. I know they can get big, but like this is the biggest one I've ever seen. Usually, they're like smaller ones. But for some reason, this one wants the roots. Or it's a log, so there's no roots, but I don't know what it's doing. It's trying to make a home. Here's a different angle of the woodpecker. It might be kind of blurry because I dropped my phone a few times, so I don't know if the camera quality messes up or anything, but I'm gonna name that woodpecker Woody. And there's a squirrel. Wait, hold on. And there's a squirrel.